What's up, guys? We are in Walmart in the clearance aisle, and we found some stuff. So got a Marvel sheet set. I'm gonna show you guys what these are going for too. We got these Minions, 17 bucks. Let me see if they're cheaper. These are going for like 60 bucks, but the rank is shit, but still. And we got Black Widow. And then they actually have, I don't know, all the guys, like, are they all Ken dolls or what is it? Doesn't even have a name. $2.50. We're gonna take it. What else we got? So they got these here. This 15. I think I might have to push these on Mercari because I'm gated on Amazon. So I don't know what else. There's really nothing else here. I mean, see how much this thing is. This thing just looks cool. Let me see. Doesn't have a price on them or anything. Let's see what happens when we scan them. Let's check out the Amazon app. That didn't come up right. I'm trying to scan the sheets. So $42.99, but they're on sale for $17. And then we've got the Minion. See, the Minion goes for $58.99. But it's got a really crappy rank. So I mean, I got 2 of them, so I'm just gonna pick them up just because if they sell for $58.99, great. If I have to drop the price a little bit to $49.99, then so be it. Another thing I got, Black Widow. So almost double our money on that. We'll take that. And then the actual Black Widow. Same thing. Okay rank, but... And then I picked this one up. I'm not sure if it's going to scan it, but we got this here. Let's see what it says. Doesn't pick it up with the picture. I gotta scan it. So we scan this Barbie. It's part of the Dreamtopia. $8.68. We got it for $4. And then I didn't scan this guy here. Let me see. Ken Beach Doll. So okay. So it looks like we are gonna send this in. $2.50. We'll almost triple our money on that. Yeah. Let's go to the toy section. You know, I mean, I came in here for supplies, but so I came in here for supplies, and then this always happens. So now I have to go check the toy section because I have to see if there's any more of these Barbies just chilling where the toys are. Look at all the stock. I've been recording lately with my phone, just because it's like right now I don't have my GoPro with me. I don't take my GoPro everywhere I go, but I have my phone, so I'm able to come out with more videos about what I'm doing more frequently than, you know, a couple times a week. So let's see, Barbie. me see. Not all the time, but sometimes they'll leave a couple over here. It doesn't look like they have it here though, which is fine. We didn't expect to find any here, but you always have to double check. Honestly, I think it's time to get the supplies that I wanted to get. Let me see. Let me check the top. Always look at the top. See, I think I see. See, hold on. Where is she? No. I thought I saw her at the top. I came to spend money on the worst thing possible. When you have to get packing paper. Oh, I hate buying packing paper because you literally just throw it away. So this is the stuff that I get here, the bigger pack, which is a complete waste of money because you buy it and you throw it away. Drop that. Do I need some tape? Bubble wrap? Am I gonna need bubble wrap? I feel like you always need bubble wrap. Let's get some bubble wrap. I only need it for FBM, not so much for FBA. And then just gonna get some tape too. All right. You know what? I probably need some boxes. No. All right. I gotta go because I have a lot to do. So I'm gonna head to checkout. And so one other quick thing, if you're a reseller, it's very easy with Walmart to get a tax exempt card. So when you're buying things that you're reselling or supplies or anything that has to do with your business, tax free. You know, if you don't do it tax free, you pay tax on it twice. You're gonna pay now, and then you're gonna pay when you have to file. So definitely want to get a tax exempt status. Google it, just Google Walmart tax exempt. It's wicked easy. And I don't believe you have to have an LLC. I have an LLC. I think you can be a sole prop and do it. So alright, so that's it. Like, you go in for supplies, you have to check clearance and everything, and when there's deals, you gotta pull that trigger. So that's what we did. Thanks for being here. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next hustle.